belum sempet. Udah sih udah dihitungin, cuman di rumah ada yang beli jadi habis lagi belum saya siapin lagi. Ya. Udah gitu dia mau 2 minggu juga buat ini. Assalamualaikum everyone, may peace be upon to all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mesuduna. Alright everyone, I'm going to take you along with me to have this delicious and popular food in Indonesia. What is it? Let's see. Alright everybody, so today I'm going to take you to have chicken congee. This is one of the popular dish in Indonesia, but this time I got it dine-in. So in Indonesia we call this bubur ayam, and every morning people love to eat this. So let's see how the vendor prepare the chicken congee or bubur ayam. Okay, you see that 2 or 3 scoops of congee. So the congee is made of rice, and then they put some sauce there. It is yes, it is chicken stock, the yellow one, and the brown one, I think it is sweet soy sauce. And she put some celery, some crackers, and also shredded chicken. And it is delicious.
Om, hampir.
Pakai kuah nggak? Iya, pakai kuah. Ya, silakan. Sendok sama sambalnya ya? Iya. Alright guys, there are some other toppings that you can choose. This is an extra, so you need to pay more if you want to get this extra topping. So what do we got here? There are some quail eggs, and then they call it satay, and you can take anything that you like for your chicken congee or for your bubur ayam. Okay, this is it. I love the quail eggs, so I'm going to take another extra quail eggs. Alright, let's dig in. So guys, you can choose whether you're going to mix all the ingredients up and then you can start eating, but I myself prefer to mix little by little because I don't want to mix the entire porridge into one. No, I prefer just mix everything that I'm going to eat only. So I can say that this is delicious, and because of the taste of the celery, or it makes more fragrant because of the celery, and it is kind of sweet and delicious, and of course it is soft, and the chicken itself it's also delicious. Here, they put some fried soybeans, and I think it's delicious also. Okay, everybody, I'm going to enjoy this dish. Alright everyone, I have just finished my chicken congee or bubur ayam and I love it. It's nice for your breakfast. So you can find this very popular across Jabodetabek area and people love eating it for their breakfast. Actually, you can make it at home, but you can also buy it in the street food, or we call it kaki lima. So it cost me, for the chicken congee itself, it's only 10,000 rupiah. And for the extra quail eggs, 2,000 rupiah. So total, I need to pay 12,000 rupiah for this chicken congee. So it cost me 12,000 rupiah or around 63 cent US dollar. It's cheap, right? It's quite affordable. It's cheap and very affordable. So guys, if you happen to stay in Indonesia and you don't know what kind of breakfast that you want to eat, why don't you try bubur ayam, and you can have the street food, and I think it's way more challenging. It's kind of such a new experience for you maybe. Alright everybody, I think that's it for today. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Please leave me some comment. What do you think about the video or the food or even the drinks? And please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and also click notification bell so whenever I have a new video, you can watch it directly. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later in the next video. Bye for now.